Hello, this is Miss Foot Fixer. Here you learn everything about treating a fungal nail infection.
You know how much I love treating fungal nail infection. So I am just going to clip away these nail fungus and I am going to burr them down, clean them down very, very thoroughly to get rid of as much of the fungus as much as possible.
Leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me, and if you're interested in seeing me, you can get scheduled below.
So we're just going to remove the top layer of the fungal infection. And it may bleed a little bit because I'm just going to try to really remove as much as possible. So why are fungal nail infections kind of yellow and brittle? That's because the fungal infection kind of sits within the nail plates on top of the nail bed, and then it deforms the nail plate and the nail bed, and then it uses the nail plate as a food source, and that's why it becomes quite thick.
Thanks for watching, Foot Fixers. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Check me out on all the other platforms too, at Miss Foot Fixer. I'll see you soon.